For E8, first verify harness is in good condition. Then verify the air pressure switch hose is connected. After that, disconnect the harness and verify it has continuity. Next, reconnect the harness and test for voltage on the top 2 yellow pins on the controller. If there is no voltage, replace the controller. Then, remove the air pressure switch from the housing and clean any dirt and debris in the tube. Verify petit tube end is positioned so that the taller end is closer to the blower wheel. This gives it vacuum. If we test operate and still have error code, replace the pressure switch.